What's up guys, iWatch here, and today we're gonna unbox the Lightning to USB cable. Okay, this is an original box. Let's check. This is the price in Europe, 25 euro. Alright, now let's unbox. You have here to open the box. Alright, let's check. Here's the cable. See the cable. Let's check what else. Alright, nothing else. Let's check it. This is all the instructions. I don't know for what we need the instructions, but why not? Alright, let's open it. I think we need to get a knife. Okay, we have the knife. And wow, this is an hard glue. This is glue well. Okay, the first is finished. Let's take the second one. And this is hard to open. Why, Apple, why? Alright. Okay, this will be opened. Okay, I bought the 1 meter cable. Alright, 1 meter is 25 euro. Let's check if this is working. Let's get a USB. Okay, we connected it to the power. Let's check if this is charging my phone. This is the camera phone. iWatch here, peace.